Right, now we finished our Gardencoin unboxing of the pagoda lights in bronze and the assembly. And I've also shown you my the connectors and how those go. Now, in the beginning of the video, I went over with you that we have to have a certain setup according to ChatGPT Pro for the garden area next to the pool. And they were right on with the plants, and I'm sure they're going to be right on with the lighting recommendation as well. Okay. So in here, I have matching spotlights. I got a box of connectors. I got a box of bulbs because these don't come with bulbs. I'm going to need 4 bulbs. And I have 6 bulbs in here. These are these bulbs are MR16. It's a 3-watt LED, and a 3-watt LED gives 35 watts of light. And they also have a 5-watt LED, which gives you 50 watts of lighting. I only need the 3-watt LED. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So they're all in this box. We'll look at them later. These are going to be our 4 spotlights. And look at it, it says open here. That's ingenious, isn't it? And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open it there. And these are going to be accent lights for the pencil hollies. We got 4 boxes. Now in here, I just want to make sure what's in here. In a bag, no less. Look at. Are they different clips or the same clips? Well, they gave me 12 for 4 lights. That was very generous of them. And these are your instructions. You can pause on that and hold it. And then you can pause on that and hold it. Those are the connector instructions. And I will read those when I go to do it. I'm surprised they gave me a pack of 12 here. It came with the lights, 4 lights. Maybe they want me to buy another 8. And these are nice, just as nice looking, and they came in a nice bag too. These are just as nice looking as the other ones. Oh, it comes with a clip as well. I got so many connector clips now. Comes with a stake. How to adjust them. And how to connect the wires again. So we have all kinds of instructions on how to connect the wires. Let's take a look at the light. Beautiful. There's a little thumb screw over here. That's how you're going to adjust the focus, right? The angle of the light. And this is going to come off. This is going to unscrew so we can put in the light bulb. And there's our light bulb right there. I hope this is going to work on these light bulbs. I bought the right bulb. Let's make sure. This is what the light bulbs look like. It's called an MR16. All right. Oh yeah, yeah. They go down in a little slot here, and they lock in. And you put 2 pins in a hole like the last ones. I just got to get them lined up. Yeah, and that's in. That's your light. And I thought this screwed on, but this is just a pressure fit. A couple of O-rings in here. And this is obviously going to go this way. And then we'll put this in the spike or the stake. Again, I like my medium. Only thing we're going to have to do here on these, we're going to have to just spread them apart. No, they're already spread apart, so I have to do nothing. Right, so let's get them in the stake. In this case, it's super easy. There's a little slot in the stake here. Push it right in, then you're all good. You screw it into place. There's a locking ring on here. They seem a little tough to get started. There we are. Most likely my problem. I'll just screw that right in place. And that one's done. Okay? You can see how nice it looks. So I'm going to set up the other three. Put them over to one side here. Connector and a stake. And really the nice thing about this is the base just pulls off with two O-rings. Very nice. You just have to kind of be careful guiding the light down into the slot there. That's already in. Yeah, you're going to line this up on this. You just have to align it. Did I align this one? This needs a little adjustment here. Just a little. Okay. And then we put the base on. These are really going to look nice. This one started a lot easier than the last one. Okay. Now I'm just going to adjust this a little bit with the thumb screw. Maybe like that. And tonight, if I get these installed and I put them on, I will get them. I'll get them all adjusted right. I don't know if I'm going to get to this today or not, to be honest with you. I'm taking a couple of 91-year-olds out for wine tasting, so that'll be cool. If you ever get a chance to spend some time with old people, I recommend you try it. They might not hear well, but they're pretty funny sometimes. And some of them hear like a razor sharp. These light bulbs are really nice. I hope they're good. Yeah, it's in. That goes over there. Perfect, perfect. Right in place. Hey, anybody watching this, are your kids back in school yet? Or are they going this week? It takes a little bit to get these started right, so you don't strip them. I'm not going to kid you. But that's an honest review, right? And we got this one adjusted. That's what the light looks like. And one more to do. No, I only need 3 of these. I do not need to do the 4th one yet. I'll use that somewhere else. So right now I'm all set with my 4 pagoda lights and my 3 spotlights. I'm going to have links in the description. Obviously, I want you to go buy some. I make a couple of dollars on it. I'm not going to kid you. So thanks for watching.